Hey there! So today I am in Richmond Hill, and boy do I have an awesome opportunity for you. I'm here at 250 Taylor Mills Road, where there is a semi-detached bungalow, hardwood floors, freshly painted throughout, 3 bedrooms, a really nice kitchen, and a great bathroom for you. But there's so much more. Downstairs it's finished. You've got a separate side entrance, fully finished rec room. You have 1 very large bedroom, a second bedroom that used to be a kitchen, and all the plumbing is still there. So you could convert it back if you want, and another bedroom. So there's additional living space in the basement for maybe family members or an income, whatever your heart's desire. But anyways, here we are, fantastic property, great neighborhood of Richmond Hill. You need to come and check it out.